A world-class lifestyle awaits with this luxurious custom-built, energy-efficient home with whole house generator. A bright and open floor plan draws you into this one-of-a-kind home with hardwood floors and breathtaking views from every room. Offering 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths and 3,800 square per foot of finished living space. The family chef will love the centrally located kitchen showcasing granite countertops, high-end appliances, large pantry, center island with breakfast bar, farm sink and custom cabinetry. The living room features a custom stone fireplace, surround sound and direct access to the 2-tier composite deck and stunning lake views. Retreat to your spacious master suite with spa-like bath, with double sinks, custom tile walk-in shower and a spacious walk-in closet. The lower level provides a family room, 4th bedroom, full bathroom with sauna and plenty of storage.